Steve, we're here in Aldridge. This is one of ETG's technical academies in conjunction with Incom. Just describe for our viewers what this facility is.
So there's a consortium of companies that we've come together and created this phenomenal outfit. So what the apprentices go through and experience is a full academy apprenticeship, starting through next door on the manual mills, all the way through CNC mills, robotics, obviously a CAD/CAM system, and full automation cells and wire erosion.
Okay, now the reason we're here today is not just to talk about that, it's the fact that you have a rolling stock program, don't you, with these machines that are obviously part of ETG's portfolio. So there's an opportunity here to get a great deal on one of these machines. That's the case, isn't it, Steve?
Yeah, so the machines that we have behind us is, obviously we have a number of configurations of controls, specifications, where the machines are targeted, market-wise, aerospace, automotive. So what we do as part of the apprenticeship is that these machines sit in the academy for the guys to come through and run a particular course. Then we replenish the stock and we'll build through different controls for them.
So whereas you might have a Heidenhain control here on a VMC, next time it will be a Fanuc or a Siemens. So they get a really good, thorough training, don't they, on the different types of machines and the different options available.
Yeah. So going back again, back to my old school days and yourself, Paul. You know, the apprentices that we've run through is binary tape, loading the tape in. So the guys here are on all three main controls. You know, Fanuc, Siemens and Heidenhain, and exactly that. You know, we'll replenish the stock. So we've got a Fanuc 5-axis behind us. What's coming in there will be a full axis Heidenhain version.
Okay, so these machines, all of these machines here behind us, we're going to quickly run through the models, are available now on special offer and can be delivered ASAP from ETG. And in fact, collectively, MTD and ETG are doing a little bit of an incentive as well, which I'll come to in a minute. But Steve, let's pick on each machine. Let's start with this one very quickly. I don't want a chapter and verse on it, but just give us a quick overview of the V710.
V710, ATC arm. So this machine's got a Siemens control, 3-axis mill, 10,000 RPM spindle. Okay,
and then the halter solution, is that part of this as well?
Yeah, so two options there with this machine. The machine on its own, full 5-axis Fanuc 630 envelope, and then you've got the option to take the automation robot with it.
So you've got a Quasar 5-axis machine there with a Fanuc. Then in the corner here we've got a hard-inch turning centre.
Yeah, so the hard-inch GS 200mm 3-axis lathe, again with a Siemens control on, 51mm through the bore.
Okay, and then behind us here, the last of the 4 machines, VMC, double door, Heidenhain.
GX1000, 8K spindle, 38 EC arm, standard 3-axis mill.
And just give our viewers as well a flavour of the kind of deal that people can get on these machines. Is this just going to be, are people going to be thinking, well, you know, this is just another special offer? Is this a special offer?
It's a special offer. You know, if you know who your regional sales manager is from the Engineering Technology Group, get in contact with them. These machines, they will go. We've already had an inkling of interest in some of them before what we're doing today.
Okay, and as an additional incentive between MTDCNC and ETG, if you purchase one of these machines as a result of seeing it directly through this piece or one of the other pieces we do today on these machines, we'll throw in a tooling package, won't we, Steve? Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. Yep, sponsored by both.
So all you need to do is obviously say you saw it first on MTDCNC, and you can benefit not only from a great deal on these machines, but that tooling incentive as well. Thanks, Steve.
Cheers, Paul.